Hello guys, welcome back to Civil Engineers YouTube channel. Today in this video lecture, I'm gonna teach you slab reinforcement ideas. Guys, you can see this is RCC slab. Under the slab in this planing, you can see these are columns. Okay, so this is RCC slab. RCC slab plan. So if you have any question related this video, so you can comments, I will try to reply your answer. Slab ideas, especially for reinforcement. As you can see, these are columns. So this is column. Okay, so these are columns. So you can say this is C1, column 1, this is C2, or this is C3, just for idea. This is C4. Okay, so in this column you can see this is C4, this is C3, this is C2, and this is C1. So you can mention anything in this. Okay, so now where is the place to provide extra steel rods or bent up bar? Guys, you can see these are supports. Suppose the length between each column is here about 20 feet. Suppose this is 20 feet. Okay, this is also 20 feet, and this one is also 20 feet, and for example this is 16 feet, 16 feet and 0 inches. Okay, same, you can see the dimensions. So now where is the best place to provide extra steel rods? Extra bars or steel rods. So where is the best place? As I told you in many videos that extra steel rods or bent up bar we are required to resist negative bending moment. So where is negative bending moment? So first of all, I will show you the place where we have negative bending moment. Guys, you can see this is one column and this is other column. These are supports. Suppose the span is here 20 feet. Okay, on the top of this column, these columns, you can see guys, this is RCC slab. Okay, this is slab, this is column, this is also column, and this one is slab. Now guys, here this is one support, this is the other support. So here at the distance of L by 4, what is L by 4? So 20 is the total length, which is 20 feet. So L by 4 at this place we have negative bending moment. L by 4 mean L divided by 4. It means the span between two columns, which is 20 feet. So 20 feet should be divided by 4. So where we have now 5 feet. So at the distance of 5 feet, or simply I will tell you guys, this is 1, sorry, so this is 1 and this is the other. Okay, so this is L by 4 means, so here we have 5 feet. Okay, you can say this is 5 feet, where this is L by 4, and this is also 5 feet, so this is L by 4. So the total length is 20 feet. Okay, so this is the center, this is the center line of this slab. Okay, so here guys we are placing extra steel rods to resist negative bending moment or crank up bar. So the bar is going same like this. At this place it is bending like this, and here guys you can see, so this is called bent up bar or extra steel rods. Both of you can use at this place to resist negative bending moment. So now come to the main point guys. Here we have positive bending moment, and here we have negative bending moment. As I told you before, it resists negative bending moment. Extra steel rods resist negative bending moment. Okay, so where we have negative bending moment, so let me show you its diagram. So its diagram is going same like this. Okay, so here we have negative bending moment, and here we have positive bending moment. So therefore, for positive bending moment, we are making the shape of steel like this, And for negative bending moment, we are bend the bar and provide the steel rod same like this. So therefore it resists negative bending moment. So now here guys, you can see at the distance of L by 4, we are providing bent up bar or extra steel rods. So I said extra steel rods. So here at this place, you can provide the extra steel rods same like this at the distance of L by 4. So these are extra steel rods. So L by 4 is, these are L by 4. So provide extra steel rods with the spacing of 6 inches or 8 inches. Okay, so like this you can provide extra steel rods. How guys, you can see this is 16 feet. So at this side we will provide 4 feet. So total extra steel rods we will place 8 feet. So the total length of or cutting length of extra steel rod is 8 feet. That's why, because 16 divided by 4, we will get 4 feet. So 4 feet plus 4 feet. So on each side 4 feet at this side and 4 at this side. Okay. So this is called extra steel rods. Same you can use it like this. So here, so this is, here we will provide at 5 feet. That's why, because 20 divided by 4, L divided by 4. So at the 5 feet we are placing the extra steel rod same like this. Okay. Like this. So these are extra steel rods. Same you can place it here like this. Because now remember one thing, so extra steel rods are not economical, but bent up bar is economical. How to make bent up bar? So let me show you the bent up bar. So the bent up bar is going same like this. Like this, guys, you can see. At this place, okay, at the distance of L by 4, again like this. Going, and it is going same like this again. Here, like this. So these are bent up bar. So bent up bar is economical, because main bars and distribution bars when we are providing, so if we have two-way slab, so in the case of two-way slab we are providing bent up bar on both directions, for long direction also for short direction. But if we have one-way slab, so in one-way slab we are placing the main bar, so the main bar should be bent up bar. And one-way and two-way slab, so it's depend on the slab size. Okay, as I discussed in many videos, what is one-way slab, what is two-way slab. So first of all you should know about one-way and two-way slab. Okay, so these are extra steel rods. So extra steel rod should be provided at the distance of L by 4. So where we have L by 4, where we have RCC columns. So columns are support to resist negative bending moment, and bending moment, negative bending moment are at the place of support. So what are support? Supports